Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. It must accept a string S which contains multiple words and print the largest n cross n matrix formed by using the words in S. Each row in the matrix should contain words with equal length. The words must be used in their order of occurrence in S. So if there is no possible way of constructing the matrix, then we have to print -1. So first the program must accept a string S which contains multiple words and print the largest n cross n matrix formed by using the words in S. Each row in the matrix should contain words with equal length. The words must be used in their order of occurrence. If there is no possible way of constructing the matrix, then we have to print -1. Now let us consider for our test case. In this test case, for constructing a 4x4 matrix, we need to have 4 words, at least 4 words with length 4. For 3x3 matrix, we need 3 words with length 3. So now let us come to our test case. So in this test case, there are words. So first, let us declare a variable called lengths and store the length of all the words in this list. So the length of book is 4. So 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma 5 comma 9 comma 5 comma 6 comma 4 comma 9 comma 4 comma 5. These are the length of the words in the given input. So first let us declare another variable which is n equal to -1. Now let us go for the first word having length 4. So you have to see how many words are having same length. So for 4 there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words are having length 4. So 4 words, fours. So this can be printed because length 4 having 4 words. So n will be updated to 4. So after 4 you have to check for the next one, 6. Here 6 is having 1 and 2. 2 words are only having 6, so it cannot be printed. At least we must have 6 words having length 6. So we have to go to the next one, which is 5. So 6 cannot be printed. And for 5 there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 words having length 5. So it cannot be printed because there should be at least 5 words having length 5. And for 9 there are 2 nines. so it cannot also be printed. At least we must have 9 words with the length 9. So finally the output is 4, so you have to print the words with space. Words should be printed in their order of occurrence. So first book will be printed, BOOK, book, and after book next occurring word is moon, so MOON. After moon the next occurring word is lava, LAVA. We will just delete it, and the last word is fuel, FUEL, FUEL. So that's all. This will be printed as our output. Now let us consider for our next test case. In this test case, these are the words. Let us have a variable called length and store the length of the words 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. So 2 there is only one word, and for 3 there is only 2, and for 4 there is only 2. So no possible way of constructing the matrix. So -1 will be printed as our output. So -1 will be printed as our output. And for constructing the matrix n cross n matrix, n or more words with the length n should be required for constructing n cross n matrix. Now let us see the pseudocode for this program. First we must accept the input, that is string s, from the user, and let us initialize a variable called length and store the length of the string in it. So length is equal to, it is a list which stores the length of the word, so len of word for word in s. Now let us have another variable called n and initialize it to -1. So n is -1. Now let us iterate over the list length. So for L in length, we will just check for our condition if length of count of L, length dot count of L is greater than or equal to the length, means if the length of the word is greater than or equal to length, means we have to change the n value. So n value will be maximum of n comma L. So if there is no any word found, means that is n is equal to -1, means if n is equal to -1, means we have to print -1 as our output, else we have to print the words. So row will be in range, for row will be in range 0 to row of n, and let us iterate over the word in s for word in s, and let us check the condition. If len of word equal to s means, sorry, n means we have to print it by character. So for ch in word, print ch, and we are using end argument here. Now after printing the word, we have to remove it from the list. So s dot remove word. So this will remove the word from the list. Now after removing, we have to print a new line and break this loop.